I think I'll feel a little bit better. You should calm down and accept the truth. Calm your mind. Try to convince yourself to, be busy at the um, try to keep yourself busy to the other things that you want to do. Try to distract yourself. Try to not think of her. Try to go with friends. Hello, my friend. South at 216. Hello, Guapo, my friend. Thank you so much. I seen your videos. You're drinking the fresh water on the river. You know what? There's a lot in our province. It looks like, the I thought there's no spring like apoy English ay. I don't know how to speak English, guys. Bahala kayo sa nahirapan ako sa kalisod. So wait, sis, are you still there? Quirrell Ariel, hello. I will try some po. Hihi, if I come there. Baby Tisha, hi Eugene. In Manila, it's dirty. In the province, in our province, it's a very, it's a fresh water. You can drink it like you did. And of course, the water is you know, look like it's just like mineral water. Here in Manila, it's dirty. It's polluted water.